Hi, I'm Danielle, the CEO of ONESource Moving Solutions. Here at ONESource, we take the stress of changing your address. I know how overwhelming moving and downsizing can feel, especially when helping a loved one transition from home to retirement community. These moments take patience, compassion, and care. That's why we take the extra step to offer a customized service that fit every client's needs and budget. I started ONESource back in 2014 with a simple vision to be the trusted partner, the ONESource solution for all things moving. We began by serving seniors and in 2019 expanded to support families and professionals too. Being a trusted partner means so much more than moving boxes. It means listening to stories, honoring memories, and treating each item with care. All of our employees pass a police clearance. We are reliable. We are a trusted partner. I love working with our clients, helping others, and giving back to the community in every way I can. At ONESource, we are here to take the stress away so you can focus on the next chapter of your story.